What's up, guys? Tanner Larson here from Build, Grow, Scale. And what you see in front of me here, these piles of stuff, is kind of the culmination of a lot of e-commerce education. Now, when it comes to e-commerce education, it's hard to find a company that is more proficient, more prolific, and with more results than Build, Grow, Scale. We're pretty much the leader in e-commerce education. We've had over 10,000 students come through our programs in the last few years. We produce a massive amount of content specific to the e-commerce industry and taking a business in the e-commerce space through the build, grow, and scale phases of business. It's all we do. I mean, if you're looking at this stuff right here, I wrote the book, literally became the Bible of modern day e-commerce. This was back in 2016. Our team has written the book, basically the Bible of revenue optimization. You guys don't care about that either, though. I'm going to tell you why in a second. Over 3 years worth of e-commerce optimization newsletters and reports sent out monthly to our students. Okay, workshop breakdowns, workshop recordings, workshop trainings, workshop presentations, workshop structures, all of that. I don't even know how many gigs and terabytes of trainings. I mean, we've done over 156 newsletters, over 156 monthly optimization GSD reports, 432 scheduled trainings in just the last 3 years, I should say, thousands and thousands and thousands of hours of trainings, courses, laid out programs, things like that, hundreds of hours of live trainings, not counting events, in-person trainings, workshops, and things like that. I'm telling you guys, it's hard pressed for you to find anybody who has done more e-commerce training and education to the world than Build, Grow, Scale. And like I said, we've had over 10,000 students come through. We've got thousands of success stories, hundreds of 7-figure stores, dozens of 8-figure stores, even a 9-figure store in the mix. And it's just insane. We do a lot. Our students have contributed over $400 million worth of new sales using our systems and materials. And you know what? All of this, you guys don't care. You don't. Because you don't want more information. You don't want an optimization report. You don't want to watch a video. You don't want to go through a workshop and have to do all this stuff. You don't even want to read this book, because it's probably going to put you to sleep. You don't even want to read the skinnier book, because you don't want to do it. There's tons of information out there. None of you do. All you guys actually really care about is that you want someone to do it for you or help you do it. You want someone to hold your hand. You want someone to go, hey, here's my store. What do I do? And that's, by and large, doesn't matter if you're a big company, a small company, just getting started, just the idea of it doesn't matter. You still want someone to do it for you. Okay? That's why people come to us. That's why we have our partnership program where we actually partner with stores and we actually do the work for them. We can't do that for everybody. We couldn't. That's why we put out all these training programs to help you guys. But again, it doesn't matter. You don't want to consume it. All the answers to everything that we do, all the secrets of everything we do is in these training programs and this material right here. 432 scheduled calls we had in the last 3 years that we did with our team and for our customers, okay? Do you think all of our customers were on those calls? Nope. Thousands of people every month get these. Do you think that everyone opens them? No. Do you think they all read them? No. Do you think they take the time to take the USB drive out of here and implement it? No. Why? Because they want someone to do it for them. They want someone to tell them, what do I do? How do I make it work? I don't want to think. I have too many other things to do. I just want it done. And it comes down to the fact that what they really want is this, okay? This is the closest thing to having the Build, Grow, Scale team do the work for you, as you're probably going to get, okay? Unless you're one of our amplified partners, which we only have a few of those. So what is this? This is a BGS store audit. Okay, this is actually a client audit. I blocked out the name for privacy. This thing is over 50 pages long, and it goes through where our team goes through. It takes about 40 hours to complete one of these things. Our experts go through and do a complete audit of your site, of your store, looking at your products, your pages, your site, your code, everything. And we point out all the things that are wrong, all the things that need to be fixed, all the optimizations that need to be implemented, all the potential areas for improvement, all the low-hanging fruit that can make you the biggest win, and we document all of it. Then we take and we compare your audit against our data library of, like I said, over $400 million worth of sales results, and we compare to find out what has the best and highest likelihood of working for you, and we add that to your low-hanging fruit section, okay? Then we format it, we put screenshots, we give solutions, we give all of it, and we basically just turn around and hand that to you on a silver platter, okay? What do? Well, once you have this, you don't have to think anymore. All you have to do at that point is literally go down the list, page by page, audit point by audit point, and implement the different changes that we say, okay? Using this audit right here can 3 to 4x your store's performance with the traffic that you're already getting. No additional traffic, no additional ad spend needed. What you're already paying for, this helps you optimize. What this also does is, this is the kind of thing that we do before we let a store scale when we work with a store. Because this is the foundation that allows it, and it being the store, to capitalize on the traffic they're getting, maximizing the profit from the traffic they're getting so that they are able to scale. Because as you scale a store, traffic doesn't get cheaper, it gets more expensive. So you need to make sure you're maximizing every dollar you can scrape out from the traffic that you're getting so that when you do scale, you can keep affording to buy more and more traffic, stay profitable, and actually put money in your pocket, which is the goal at the end of the day. This audit, this BGS store audit, is what you have been waiting for, okay? You don't want this. You don't want more training, because we've been doing this for years. I've been doing this training stuff since 2001. This is just the accumulation of the last 3 years worth of stuff, okay? What you want is this. You want our experts who do nothing but revenue optimization on e-commerce stores all day long to take a look at your site in detail, go through it, tell you what to do, so that all you have to do is what is supposed to be done. You don't have to guess. You don't have to go, ooh, will this work? Or should I change this? Or should I do this? No. You're going to have it right here. Everything you need, okay? There's a link up here in the description if you want to go ahead and hop over and get this. This is a current service offering from Build, Grow, Scale. It's something that we've done for a long time for our partner stores, and we only recently rolled it out as a public service offering. The reason we're doing this is, number one, you guys have been asking. This is, and number two, is the fact that you guys need to get the help and get the information that you need to make the changes, okay? You need it. It's in here, but clearly not everybody's gonna go through that. So this is the next best thing. This is distilling all of this stuff, applying it to your store, extracting the gold, and handing it to you on a silver platter. That's what this does for you. The other thing is we have slack time in our schedule when our ROs are not busy. Our ROs meaning revenue optimization experts, the people who work on all of our client stores and partner stores, when they're not fully busy. Rather than having them sit there and twiddle their thumbs, we said, hey, why not make a limited offering of this to the public? So on an ongoing basis, there may be audits available or there may not be audits available depending on the slack time in our schedule. If you go to the page where the link is above, which is buildgrowscale.com/audit, and you check it out, and there's a buy button there, cool, you can buy an audit. If there's not, well then you'll have to wait till that comes back. We're going to keep offering it for at least the foreseeable future. Just the quantity available will be dictated by our schedule of our staff. This is not, some outsourcer putting together something or some generic report that everybody's is the same. This is one of our best ROs going through your site personally, then our data science team going through your Google Analytics personally and mapping out everything that's wrong, that needs to be changed, that needs to be fixed, optimizations, all of that. So you're getting a Google Analytics health check and a complete store audit in one fell swoop. And I guarantee you that if you use this, you will, in a matter of minutes, can be implementing everything here, and you can 3 to 4x your store's revenue if you do this and implement it correctly, okay? So with that, guys, I know you want this. You want us to do the work for you. Here's where we can put our best foot forward. Short of actually going in and logging into your store and doing the work, this is the best thing we can do. And plus, if we had to log in and do the work for you, it would be astronomically expensive. You would not be able to afford it, nor would you want to afford it. This is much more cost effective and has a higher bang for the buck ROI for you, because all you gotta do is follow it and you're gonna get results. So with that, guys, I'm gonna end this video here. If you are consuming our content, love it, great, cool. If not, or if you want us to do it, grab the audit, buildgrowscale.com/audit. I'll see you later.